Hello everybody, today me and Ryan are going to do another Nerf war since you guys have been liking the Nerf wars. I can see we have, thanks to 800 views on the one Nerf gun video. So we have our Nerf gun set up all around the house. And
that was in my pocket.
He just found a Nerf bullet in his pocket. So we have them set up and we're all going to run around and try to shoot one. And I'm going to point this out. We can only go inside the house once. That's it. There's no Nerf gun set up in the house. One time in the house.
1 minute long.
And
at least 1 minute long.
Can't be much more than 5. Like, that's way too much. So we're gonna take you around. I'm gonna be having the GoPro on my head. And sorry if we won't get the shot in. And yeah. So let's battle. All right, you ready? Let's start right here.
Yeah, okay.
And go. Which way are you go? Okay, I guess I'll just go this way. I really don't know. Okay, Rye Guy must have set this one up because I don't remember this being here. So we got a pistol. Let's go down here. I won't be talking too much in this video because I'm gonna be battling. He's right there. He's got a good gun. Oh my gosh, he's got a good gun. I'm gonna put this away. Nice. It's only got 2 in it. See what's cooking. Ooh, nice. He must have won around. He must have won around. Unless, all right, he took the pistol. Remember setting that up right there. He might have went inside and he can open one of the windows and snipe me. There's a Nerf gun out right here. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go. Full sniper. That window's open. I'm thinking we might just go in the house. But I'm thinking Rye Guy is also there too. So we'll stay out here. It's got a scope on it. Let me. It's a pretty nice gun. See through the scope. Alright, let's get back to the battle. Alright, still got my pistol, still have this. Yeah, he's definitely inside. There he is, he's actually outside. What are we gonna do? Not worth it, not worth it. I knew he was gonna run. Look at that gun. Yeah, we're gonna go inside. We're going inside. I'll get back to you when we're upstairs. Yes. He thinks we're out there. Yeah, he thinks we're out there. We have to move. We have to move. Oh! I almost got him. Almost got him again. I just shot him. What? Yeah. No. I might have to go back outside, guys. Dang it. No more bullets. Dang it. Wait, what happened to my pistol? Wait, I still have my pistol. Oh. him off the wall, but that doesn't count. Oh, I missed him. Luckily for me, guys. Let's just cheat a bit. The nerf gun is right. Where is he going? No, no, no. Dang it, guys. We had so many shots on him. Dang. I'm gonna take this back. He's right. Ooh. No, I just lost my bullet. That doesn't count. Let me get another. All right. Yep, he's found me. He's taking shots. He's taking shots.
Not good. Oh no.
Oh, I missed him. All right, we're out of ammo. Let's go back outside. Dang it. We had perfect shots on him, but we didn't get him. They were all close. Uh-oh. He knows I'm right here. Whoops. I have to get my boots on. Oh my gosh, he's coming in. No, 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 no! I got you now! I got you now. Got his hand. Oopsies. He's fine. He's running. No! That was horrible. He was coming in. Oh, we're gonna take this one bullet. We're gonna take this. Take this one bullet just because it's easier to carry. Lost my scope again. This is not a nerf scope, just so you know. And he came around. All right, guys, I'm sorry what just happened. I did not know that the camera shut off, and I believe Fry Guy's inside, and I just reloaded all my bullets into this gun, so being really careful. There he is. See, there he is. There he is. All right. That was his only time inside. We had so many shots on him. Hey, Ryan. And we didn't get him. No! Dang it! No! That scope is the worst. There he is, there he is. Behind the tree, and he's up there. Still up there. He's still up there. All right, let me just change the view. He just wasted 2 of his. All right, guys, I just changed the view, and he just ran off. So now I'm hoping you can see better. Oh, and he's back. Okay, and just come this way. You know what? Nope. What? Oh no, he just found the sniper that I should have grabbed before. Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna camp out in the truck. Just come back here and just kind of rest. Just gotta rest until he comes around, you know? That's all we gotta do. Just waiting for him to come. Just gonna peek out. He's not here yet. There he was, there he was. He was just over there. He's at the corner of the house. He has his sniper. There you went, there you went. This is our chance, this is our chance. What? What? Wait, what?
And you're gone.
Got him! Got him! Yes! Yes! I have just got him! Woo! Alright!
In fact, that sniper is not really a sniper, it's horrible.
Yeah, it doesn't shoot too far range. And let me just put this out there. Please view our extreme hide and seek video. Pretty sure that has 8 views. I'd like to get that one. I'd like to get that one up a bit more. And yeah, thanks for the 800 views on that one nerf video. And
100 views on the other one.
yeah.
And 90 views on the newest one that we made.
Yep. So thank you guys for watching and subscribe. Whew. Another nerf battle down. And let me just show you this gun. I don't think you get to really see Rye, guys. That's his selection right there he found. Oh, good battle. The battle.